Anatomy of the respiratory system. Upper respiratory tract. The process begins with air entering through either the nose or mouth. The nasal cavity contains tiny hair-like structures called cilia that filter out impurities. Pharynx and larynx. From the nasal cavity, air passes through the pharynx, throat, and larynx, voice box. The epiglottis, a flap-like structure, prevents food from entering the windpipe, trachea, during swallowing. Lower respiratory tract. The trachea, a flexible tube, splits into two bronchi, each leading to a lung. Further branching occurs, forming bronchioles that end in clusters of alveoli. Alveoli. Alveoli are the microscopic air sacs where gas exchange takes place. Their thin walls allow oxygen to diffuse into the bloodstream while enabling carbon dioxide to move from the blood into the lungs for exhalation. Process of breathing. Inhalation. The diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle beneath the lungs, contracts. Simultaneously, the intercostal muscles between the ribs lift the rib cage. These actions increase the chest cavity's volume, creating a pressure gradient that pulls air into the lungs. Exhalation. The diaphragm and intercostal muscles relax, reducing the chest cavity's size. This increased pressure forces air out of the lungs. Gas exchange. Oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange. In the alveoli, oxygen from inhaled air binds to hemoglobin in red blood cells and is transported to body tissues. Meanwhile, carbon dioxide produced by cells binds to hemoglobin and is transported back to the lungs, where it diffuses into the alveoli for exhalation. Role of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells, plays a crucial role in carrying oxygen and carbon dioxide. It can bind to these gases reversibly, ensuring efficient transport. Regulation of respiration. Respiratory Control Center. Located in the brainstem, the Respiratory Control Center monitors blood oxygen and carbon dioxide levels. It adjusts breathing rate and depth through signals to the diaphragm and intercostal muscles, ensuring a balance in gas exchange. In this condensed explanation, I've covered key aspects. If you have specific